What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another product review. This time we're going to be looking at the 60 watt power charger or the power adapter by the company TechSmarter. Now if you see on the front right here it says SPD. We're going to talk about that just a little bit when we get it open. This is all that you get in the box though. You get this and you get the instructions. Now let's do a little real estate. Get your TechSmarter logo, fold out prongs, and then on the back you get the 60 watt and you get the SPD. Now the SPD is for your power delivery. So your larger devices such as laptops, your tablets, things of that nature are going to do a fast charge off of this 60 watt port, which is USB type C. Now, since there are no cables that come with this, you're going to actually have to use the stock cables that came with your device to plug it up. I'm going to use a cable that I have right here, USB to USB type C. So both ends are type C. I'm going to plug that up. Boom. Now we got a fast charge on the phone. That works out, that checks. Tablet, not necessarily going to tell us that it's getting a fast charge, but it is charging. And with the PD, you're getting a greater power delivery off of that 60 watt. So normally you're going to charge this with about 30 watts, but the 60 watt is going to give it a faster charge. And this cable or this charger will also charge your laptops. So I have a MacBook right here. So it was completely dead. It turned it right back on and it gave me a little bit of a charge as well. So we got charging on this because normally our regular standard chargers plugged into a smaller outlet will not charge a laptop. We get the power delivery charger with the TS Plus engine built into it, and it also has Turbo Guard, which is not going to allow your product to overheat or overcharge. Basically, it's just going to keep your device safe from all types of harm while it's charging. So I'll be sure and leave a link below to this device. You can go check it out for yourself. So this has been a quick review of the TechSmarter 60 watt power adapter. Small, convenient, fits in the palm of your hand, has several protective methods, and is a fast charger for your phones, tablets, and your laptops. So I'll leave a link below so you can go and check this out. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.